Welcome to Taiji's Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this elephant. So this elephant is definitely not for a beginner. There aren't that many special steps, but making some of that detail may take a little bit of skill. You definitely want to practice with other easier models before, but if you want to start making a little more difficult models, then I think it's a great model to make, because I think this model really portrays the form of the elephant really well. So I hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make the elephant. First, I'm going to fold in half like this, diagonally, with the color being inside, and open. I'm going to flip to the other side, and then do the same thing, but this time with the color being outside, like that. And open, then we're going to bring this line to the center line, and then open. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom part, and then open. And with these two folds I just did, I'm going to bring it together like this. And then this flap I'm going to fold in one direction like this, and then fold it down in the other direction so that I have a line right here. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So fold into the center like this, and then open, and also on the bottom part. And then open along this folded line, bring this inward like this, and this flap fold it in one direction and then in the other direction like this, just like that. And then I'm going to fold along the center line like this, like that. And then I'm going to bring this line to the vertical line right here, like this, make the fold line, and then open, and then I'm going to open from the top like this, and with this folded line right here, I'm going to do the reverse outside fold like this, so like that. And now I'm going to bring this upward like this, just so much that this part is a bit longer than this part right here. And then this pointy end, I'm going to fold it backward like this. As you may already see, this is going to be the tail. And then open and open. And then I'm going to open from inward like this. And then I'm going to fold along this folded line up like this. And then here's also another fold line. So using this, I'm going to fold reverse outside fold like this. Then you have the tail. And this is going to be the back leg, but it's a bit too wide, so I'm going to make it narrower by folding about parallel to this line like this. Make the fold and then open. Then I'm going to open from the bottom like this. Along this folded line, I'm going to tuck this inward like this. Then this back side is finished. Then let's work on the front side. So this flap, I'm going to bring it back like this. And then on the other side, same thing, this flap backward like this. And then now I'm going to fold about along this line right here, folding this way, just about so that this point is about in the center of this top part. Just like that, and then open. I'm going to open from the top like this, and then along this folded line, I'm going to do the reverse inside fold like this. And then now I'm going to fold along this line right here, downward like this, just like that, and then open from the front again, and then along this fold line, I'm going to fold inward like this. Again, a reverse inside fold. And then next, I'm going to bring this line to this line right here, like that, and then open, and then I'm going to open from the top like this, and then I'm going to tuck this in here like this. But instead of this line, I'm going to make the fold line to this point right here. So what it means is that putting like this and fold it down like this. So just like that. And also on this side, same thing. I'm going to bring this line to this line, like this, and then open from the top like this, and tuck this in. And I'm going to use, instead of this line, I'm going to fold right here to this point right here, and down like this. And I'm going to go back to the front side, and I'm going to bring this line to this line right here, like this, just like that. And then I'm going to bring this part backward like this. And then you're going to start to see, this is going to be the ear, this is going to be the leg. Then for the ear, I don't want a pointy ear, so I'm going to fold it forward like this, just a little bit, like this. And then open, and then with this fold line, I'm going to tuck this in here, like this, and I have a round ear. And then the leg, I also don't want a pointed leg, so I'm going to fold along this line right here, like this. And then I'm going to open, then I'm going to open from the side like this, and then tuck this pointy end inward like this. And then you have the ear and the front leg. And then flip the other side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to bring this line to this line right here, like this. And then I'm going to bring this flap backward like this. Then this is going to be ear. I'm going to make it not pointy, so I'm going to fold it forward like this. And then open from the top. Then I'm going to tuck this in with a folded line like this. Then you have the rounder ear. And then the front leg, I don't want it pointy, so I'm going to fold along this line like this, and then open from the side, and then tuck this inward like this. Then this is almost finished. Then let's make the head and the nose. So along this line, I'm going to bring backward like this all the way, and also on the other side like this. And then the front part, I'm going to fold it back just like this, just about so that this is parallel to this. I make the fold line strong and then open. Then I'm going to open from the bottom and then tuck this in here with a folded line like this, reverse inside fold. And as the next thing, I'm going to fold about along this line right here, just like this. And then I'm going to open, and then I'm going to do the reverse outside fold along this line right here, just like that. And then I'm going to fold this nose forward like this, and then open, and with this fold line, I'm going to bring fold like this. It's the reverse outside fold. And then I'm going to bring it out like this, so I'm going to fold like this, and then open, and then I'm going to do the reverse inside fold, tucking in this like this. And for the nose, elephant doesn't have a pointed nose, so I'm going to open like this, and I'm going to tuck this in like this. Then you have the nose finished. Then with that, the elephant is finished. So as you saw, making this origami elephant is not easy, but also it's not that difficult. And I hope this video was easy enough to follow. So hopefully you give this a try yourself. And if you enjoyed what you saw, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any requests or any question or feedback, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.